I am so excited. My garage system finally arrived. I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what we got. This garage storage and cabinet system is from New Age Products. I'm not a sponsor in any way, but this is what I've got. I decided to go with the bamboo tops. I'm kind of wishing I would have got stainless steel. I really like that the drawers are full extension and they got these individual dividers so you can set it up any way you want to fit your tools or if you want to put for bolts and nut storage. As you can see, we got the cabinets done. The next thing we're going to do is paint the lifts. The lifts are pretty sketchy. I did paint the alignment rack red. I don't have a video of that. You just have to trust me, but it was pretty nasty as well. As you can see, the lift is just, the paint's flaking off. It's just dirty, it's nasty. So we're gonna repaint it. I'm using Sherwin-Williams Safety Yellow and Sherwin-Williams oil-based blue that I had them mixed to match the paint as close as possible. It's probably not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be good enough. So the first thing we gotta do, we gotta prep the lifts. And we're gonna do that by using some Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner. We're gonna get all the oil, residue, anything that's kind of loose dirt, we're gonna get it off, and then we're gonna wipe it again with brake clean. That way we get a dry, clean surface. We're gonna scuff it up a little bit with the Scotch-Brite so the paint will stick. Oh, look at this, the paint is just coming off of there. You know, the good thing about brake clean, it's very volatile, so it will evaporate very quickly, and it also leaves a very dry surface. So I'm hoping that the paint will stick really well after this. This is actually the same method I used when I painted the alignment rack and it worked out pretty good. So I'm expecting a pretty decent result for this one as well. I didn't want to have to paint around all of this, so I'm just going to take the lift pad off. So I took the cotter pin out, slide that out. Now we've got all the pieces we can paint individually and put it back together. Okay, I'm all done prepping and cleaning for this side. Now I got to do this side. Let's just cut to me painting. Now I paint. We're going to do the lift arms first. So we'll do the safety yellow. It's getting late in the day, so tomorrow I'll come back and finish the post. All right, got them all painted. We're gonna move on to the arms. While those things are drying, take a look at this lift arm. You can see how bad it is. And oh, no, it's not. Oh, look at that. So nice. All of them so fresh and clean like they're brand new. Can't wait to get these dirty and scuffed up again. All right, these are dry, so they'll be going back on real soon. Let's look at this paint. Hopefully this matches. Let's take a look here. All right, we'll put on a little bit right here. It's a little lighter, but it will dry darker, so it should be pretty close. Let's just go for it. Bam! Look at that. Nice. So after they finish the floors, the next step is lighting. We're going to fix the lighting. We've got to move a couple of these around. I'm going to add some more lights, really brighten it up in here and make it look really nice. We're also going to finish painting over here, which was something I wanted to do. We just haven't been able to get to it just yet, but that will be very, very soon. Okay, it's been very, very soon. And we got the floors done. and they look awesome. I am so excited about this. I get really picky about the quality of work. This was actually done while I was out of town, and the guys that did it did an amazing job. I'm so excited about it. We did not do the flakes. I know a lot of people get the flakes on the floor. The reason we didn't is because when you drop a bolt, it makes it harder to find. So we just decided not to do the flakes, just a straight gray. And we've started painting the walls, and we're gonna continue painting all the way around. Where did this little guy come from? Check this out. You're in the wrong part of town, pal. Let's get you outside. Come on. You're free. Go back to your home. Okay, as far as the lighting, I just rotated this. It was this way. I've now got it this way up here. These lights right here, don't have them on, but they're just below the skylight, which doesn't make any sense. I'm getting light from the skylight, so I'm gonna rotate this. You can see the electrical cable here, the flexible conduit, I think they call it. I'm gonna flip this over here, and that way I'll have light on this side and from the skylight. Okay, we moved the lights around. That is now that way, and this light, which was right here, didn't make any sense to have it under the skylight, is now over there. So we have much more even distribution of lighting over here now. Okay, we're nearing the end of the day. I am tired. Some of this paint is still a little wet, so I'm gonna come back in the morning. I'm gonna finish taping for the blue stripe, and then I think that's it for now. And then I gotta put my toolbox back over here and get some stuff ready, but we are so close. This is looking so good. I'm so excited. But as you can see, yeah, I got the rough cuts in for the gray. This has already been done. Still gotta do over here. This is looking really good. Check this out. Obviously I gotta take away the tarp. We gotta get everything back in there, but man, that is looking so much better than it did before. When I see a clean space like this, it makes me want to go to work. Like, this is so nice. I can't wait. Can't wait to get some new cars in here. Can't wait to show you guys what we got going on. I've got a few things planned. It's gonna be awesome. You know, I don't ask a lot of favors, but I will ask you this. Please hit that like button. If you like what I'm doing, hit subscribe. I've got some really cool stuff coming up. You guys won't be disappointed. If you're a car person in the slightest bit, you'll like what I've got coming. The like button and subscribing definitely helps out that algorithm. At least that's what I'm told. And I'm really trying to grow this channel. I know we've only got a few hundred followers, but I'm really trying to get to that 1,000 mark and then beyond. So please consider doing that. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. Okay, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up here. We'll get that blue stripe put on, and check out my next video for the final reveal where I will have everything put back in place. I'll do a quick review on the cabinets that I'm using. I'm not sponsored by them, but I will definitely give you my honest feedback on them, and I will kind of show you my workspace. So thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it.